5 seconds, time to beat Tim Lepley, 56.401, here we go. Loop is live, drivers work together here, work together. So Tim Paris got the pressure on him, he's got to do better than a 50 lap run. 50 with a 401, that's what he's shooting for. To get himself back up into that A main.
Left.
Tim Lepley in command right now, new TQ pace. He's trying to beat his own TQ. He's on a 57.403. Ralph in the 2 spot now, Chuck in the 3, Tim Paris in the 4. Tim right now on a 47 lap run. He needs to be in that 50 lap range. I don't think it's going to work out. 2:35 to go. He's got to really step it up. It is possible. You guys walking around the pits, if you take a look at Chris Amard's short course modified, his Pro Mod, has got some pretty trick wheel dots on there. If anyone's interested, those are the P1 Hobbies Mercenary wheel dots. Noak's got them available in the pits. If you guys are interested, check those things out. They're the hottest thing on the market for wheel dots. Check them out here. We got them. Go see Steve Nowak. Thank you guys. 2 down, 2 to go. Tim Lepley in command.
2 minutes left.
Chuck doing a little battling here with Tim down the back straightaway. Tim now pulling away. Tim in the orange with the flames. Chuck in the blue with the flames. Ralph going for a little wild ride over there in the blue and a white, number 17. 1:30 left on the clock. Tim's still in command right now. 3 lap lead on the field. Up next, race 14, Pro Mod, Salazar Shark Kalari.
Left.
3 down, 1 to go. Tim, 56.4 flat. That's Tim Lepley. Oh, trouble. Oh, you're literally getting caught up right here. That could knock him off a TQ pace. And it does. It's a 56.402 right now. It's his own TQ though, so no pressure. Nobody's even close to a 56 lap run except for Tim Lepley himself. Seconds left. Tim Lepley, Chuck Mefford, Ralph Lepley, Tim Paris. That's the order. 5 seconds, drivers. 4th lap for Tim Lepley on lap number 2. Fast lap of the race. Everyone keep going until I call the race done. Keep going, guys.
Car 2 is done. Car 1 is done.
And that's going to be a race. Tim Lepley, new TQ right there, 56.41.4, so half a second faster than his round 1 time. Nicely done. Chuck Mefford in the 2, Tim Paris in the 3. Not going to get back up into that A main, so he does get knocked out by his son right there, Anthony. Ralph in the 4. Nice job, guys. Nice job. 13.5 truck qualifying is finished. Up next, Pro Mod.